Hey guys, I'm Jayla and this is Khyre. Today we're going to be going to Mr. Hyman's class and be filming some people, so let's get on.
And make sure you guys get this yarn app. It's available on the App Store and more. You can press anywhere, and it's really free and it's awesome.
Or you sponsored to do this?
Sponsored by Khyre.
Okay,
Let's go.
Oh, I asked him earlier. He said I
We're
could.
here with Mr. Hyman, my old teacher. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, high
High
five. Woo. So we're gonna ask him a few bit questions. Okay.
Hi.
So, how was your grade 3 class?
My grade 3
Yes,
last year.
Yeah.
Grade 3 class was amazing last year. I just found a bunch of their photos in the classroom right now. You guys.
Me too.
That were in my class. No, you were grade 2 with me. But, and it was really awesome. An amazing year. You?
And we're having a party.
When did you get your first phone?
My first phone? Grade
When he
8.
was down.
I got it.
I got it when I was like 5.
When you're 5, that's not fair.
Okay, Mr. Hyman,
Yes.
do you like this?
Kumar took over the
split
computer.
class?
I like the split class.
Kumar
I
took
love
over
my
the-
split class.
Mr.
That's
Hyman.
awesome.
Over the computer.
You're on camera.
I don't care.
Do you
We're
like-
not over the computer? You can tell.
Stop, man.
Do you
like?
This is dangerous, I think.
Minute and 13
Okay,
seconds of them
and
doing
final
it.
question. Jayla, do you want to say it first? No. I already said one. You. No.
I'll say. No. If you have to decide who was your best grade 3 class.
No, four. Last year or this year?
My best class?
Yeah.
It's a 4-way tie for the best class ever. It
Always a 4-way tie. Always a 4-way tie.
was awesome. I love all my classes. Sawmill's the best.
Can I join?
Okay, bye, Mr. Hyman.
Bye, guys. Thanks for coming by.
We should do Miss Leslie.
Hello, party?
No, okay.
Yeah, come on. We can't
Enter
enter.
Oma. Okay.
We're not gonna. Our principal, Miss Leslie, that's about to retire. So we're gonna ask you a few questions. Okay. So. Okay. So, did you love this school?
Absolutely loved the school. Best 5 years of being principal was here at Sawmill Valley.
When did you get your first phone?
When did I get my first
Phone.
My first phone? Probably. Oh my goodness, my first phone, like an iPhone or a BlackBerry?
Like anything.
Yeah.
Probably 20 years ago.
And last question. Would you come back to school when you retire?
I would absolutely love to
Like
visit.
anytime if we have an assembly, you would come, right?
Oh, I was invited, absolutely. Yes,
Okay.
I would miss
So-
you guys.
That's the end of Miss Leslie.
Thank
I
you.
hope you have a good summer.
Thank you. Hope you guys have a fabulous summer. Thank you.
Hi, we're back and we're with Aiden and Tobias, best friends. And we're gonna ask you guys a few questions. Is that alright?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, Aiden. How would you describe this school as? Fun, really awesome,
I'll say that's like kind of in the middle.
middle?
I'll say kind of like cool, like
Cool
I'll say around like,
Fine.
I'll give around like a 50%.
Okay. How about you, Tobias?
It's very cool.
Yeah, I would say so.
Well, same here, I agree.
Teachers from my old school are here.
They're cool.
Yeah, Miss McFarland was my vice principal. Yeah, and Miss Leslie.
Okay.
If you had to get, do you have electronic pencils?
If you had a device,
No.
do you have an electronic?
Yeah, right now it's cool right now.
Yeah, I have one at school right now. I have my iPad.
I'm not too, you know, just chilling, doing something good.
Yeah.
Watch YouTube.
Oh, I have a
Yeah, I got my phone here too.
Oh, wait, okay.
Just describe this.
I don't have my phone on me.
Okay,
You don't have a phone.
Final question. From the both of us. From the both of us.
I want to use
Yeah, okay. What? Okay. If you guys saw Miss Leslie retire, like next year, what would you do? Cry? Be upset? Be happy for her?
You would cry all day.
And
What type of cry? Cry, she's a joy.
like
Cry.
cry of joy, like really sad that she's leaving.
You're people for like a year. You know, people
Manners. Okay, first of all, public manners shut his mouth. And second of all, I'll kind of be tearing a little.
I would be tearing. I would have been sad.
What?
What about you, Tobias?
I'd be sad.
What about you?
I'd be sad.
I'll be
See, that my principal
I would-
I'll be.
Okay, last time. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet. A Chihuahua is freaking adorable.
He's super
I
cute.
hear barking all the time.
He's.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen him, Jayla?
I don't have a pet. If I
think
want
so.
a pet.
He's super cute.
He's so tiny and black.
Yeah,
I've
The
seen him.
black
Yeah,
fur
he's
is so
small.
tiny.
Okay,
That's
that's the end of these two. Have a nice, beautiful summer.
You too.
Oh yeah, today's the last day of school.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.